So hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you got selected in any company like Infosys, Wipro or any other company which company provide you PF facility, then you can watch this video. It will be helpful for you. After getting your UAN number from your company, you have to active the UAN number. Okay, let's start. uh, so I will be telling you each and every process step by step. Please watch the video till the end. If you watching my video first time, please do subscribe my channel and hit that like button, and you can share the video with your friends if your friends also selected in any other company. Okay, so let's start the video. First you have to type EPFO in Google. Okay, then then you have to search. After searching, you will we get this employees provident fund organization link. You have to click on this link and you will be redirected to this page. After that, you have to click on KYC updation member. See this button. After clicking on that, one thing I'm going to tell you, that is, if you want to know your UAN balance, PF balance, these two methods are available to you. Also, internet portal is also available for you. You can also check the balance for these two methods. Okay, so after clicking on that button, you will be redirected to this page. Then click on active UAN. Okay, then you will be redirected to this page. Then enter your UAN number. How you can find your UAN number specifically for Infosys, I will tell you later at the end of the video. Please watch the video till the end. Okay, then after entering your UAN number, mm, no need to enter member ID. Click enter Aadhaar card name, your date of birth, mobile number and captcha, and click on that checkbox. See, I have entered everything and I have also click on the checkbox, and after that click on get authorization pin. Okay, see here, after clicking on that get authorization pin, a message is showing here, and OTP has been sent to your Aadhaar linked mobile number. Okay, the OTP will be sent to your Aadhaar linked mobile number. Enter the OTP here, then click on validate OTP and active UAN. Okay, now see, I have entered my OTP and click on OTP, validate OTP and active UAN. Then this message is showing your UAN has been activated successfully and default password has been sent to your registered mobile number. Then mobile number, and kindly change your default password using change password functionality upon successful login. Okay, I will be telling you how to change the password. Okay, then you have to come to the home page and click on KYC updation. Then now you have to enter your UAN number and password which you received in your Aadhaar linked mobile number, which password you have received. Okay, then click enter your captcha code, then sign in. So after sign in, this pop-up will be shown. As of now, you can click on later. Okay, here your UAN number and name will be shown, as well as here also. Okay, this dashboard will be shown like this after clicking on later. Now if you my suggestion is, please change your password, don't go with the default password. Okay, so change, click on account here, account, see this account section. After clicking on account, the change password section will be come, so click on that. Then enter your old password. Old password means which password you have received in your registered mobile number. Then enter your new password, confirm new password. Enter your same password 2 times, and please click on that question mark button and see the password type, and that means how many characters you have to enter, minimum maximum number, special character, each and everything will be written here. After clicking on that question mark button, you will be able to see. Okay, so now if you want to download your UAN card, just click on view, then UAN card. You will be able to download your UAN card, digital UAN card. You can able to download. Okay, so if you want to see your passbook, just click on passbook, and you can then one login credential will be asked to you, your UAN number and password, and, captcha code, something related to that will be asked to you. You just have to enter that, but you can't do this, can't visit the passbook section as of now. After activation, and after 6 hours, after activation of 6 hours, you can able to open your passbook and you can check your balance. So now I'll be telling you how you can find your UAN number. Okay, this will be specifically for Infosys employee. So first you have to install Infimi app and log in with your official credential. Then you have to click on profile icon, which will be present on right down side. Okay, click on the show full profile. There will be written in top section. Okay, click on financial. Then you have to click on PF grand total. Then you can see your 12-digit UAN number. Okay, so this was the video. If you think this video is helpful to you, please subscribe my channel. Please share my video with your friends. And if you have any query related to this, please comment down. I will definitely answer your comment. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.